it's Talia from Skylar, and I'm so excited to show you our brand new sample palette. We actually started in 2017 with 4 signature scents. That was our Arrow, Meadow, Coral, and Isle. But in 2018, because of high demand and so many people loved it, we actually introduced 2 more signature scents. Our Capri, which was created by one of our Skylar gals, and our Willow, which is our most recent scent. Something so unique about this is that you no longer had to go out and look for a sample in a Macy's or a JCPenney or retail store. You got these delivered straight to your door. So we wanted to make sure that we brought everything to you.
With our efforts to be as eco-friendly as we can, we created an all-new box which can be shipped as is. This means that we won't waste another box. Good scents come naturally. All 6 of our signature scents are clean, vegan, hypoallergenic, and cruelty-free. Every sample palette comes with a $20 credit code. That means $20 off your favorite scent or entire order. We really encourage you to create your own signature scent. When you flip over your promo card, you can see some of our favorite inspos of combinations. Learn exactly how to layer your fragrances. Our first scent is Arrow. This scent is warm, spicy, and seductive with notes of midnight jasmine, warm patchouli, and vanilla. At the office or on a date, this fragrance is the perfect accessory and is guaranteed to make you feel bold. Next, we have one of our new additions to the sample palette, Capri. This Mediterranean-inspired scent carries zesty citrus notes, transporting you to your favorite coastal escape. Our next scent, Coral, is flirty, fruity, and fun. It's a unique fruity floral that will definitely give you an extra jump in your step on those early mornings. Now, welcome Isle, our best-selling and most versatile scent for its clean, dewy, fresh notes. Isle brings you straight to a relaxed state of feeling renewed and rejuvenated. It is a perfect base for all of our scents. Meadow is exactly how it sounds, floral, chic, and beautiful. This light and flirty scent embodies everything we love about a true floral without being overly fragrant. Finally, welcome Willow. Our newest signature scent is woodsy, cool, and lush. It is the ultimate earthy enchantment. Just like the tree, this scent exudes balance, growth, and harmony. This elevated scent will give you the peace only connecting with the earth can offer. Personally, my favorite scent is Meadow because I like floral scents. However, I recently just fell in love with layering it with Arrow because it added a kick to my everyday scent. Layering these 2 scents makes me feel bold and in charge, but still very feminine. I usually choose my base off of which scent is stronger, so in this case, I'm putting on Arrow first. I then add a spritz of Meadow directly on top. It is extremely important to tap the wrists together and not rub. Press your wrists to your neck, just below your ears, and enjoy your new signature scent.
So I loved showing you our brand new sample palette. Our creative team just did amazing. All of our team did amazing making this, and we are so excited about it. You have to comment your favorite scent below because I can't wait to hear what everyone thinks. Also, something to note is that we have a new referral program, and it's give and get a free sample palette. So you can give a friend a free sample palette, and once they redeem it, in return, you'll get a credit of $20 with a purchase of $40 or more. So make sure you're inviting all your friends. We can't wait to see your pals turn into gals.